spreading all around tonight. It's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush.
So hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. So this is not going to be any vlog today. I'm going to review the Stylus pen. So this is a pen you can use to draw, edit on your iPad. I have my iPad mini 5 here, so we'll be testing it out on this. So if you guys were thinking about purchasing this, so definitely watch this video till end and then make a choice. I got this from Amazon at the price of 2,100 rupees. So let's see if this is worth it. So you know, I have been traveling and editing as well. So all for my travel, and I do all my edits on this tab. Feels a bit heavy, not that much. I'm not sure if I'll be able to work for a long period of time, but definitely it should work. This tip side is bit like heavier side than the hinges. We have got in the packet, we have got those extra pins. This is the one. So those three, I think they've given extra. This is the manual. So battery charging, how to charge the battery. You can charge this time. So we'll be needing the USB-C type. So this is here the port where you will be putting the charger. Okay, USB-C. Remember, most of the charger nowadays definitely comes with USB-C. Then what else? We have charging time is about 60 minutes. Okay, so it will gonna take 1 घंटा लगेगा पूरा चार्ज होने के लिए. So it will take like full 1 hour. Okay, so this is the palm nib which we'll be using for drawing or editing. Built-in battery. Here is the battery. Charging interface, yeah, I showed you. Then switch button, that will be testing it out. Then what else we have? Product name. Universal element is this one, used for 8 hours, so maximum we can use it for 8 hours. Yeah, definitely I think that's a good time. We won't be using more than that. Then battery model is here. Standard accessories, USB charging cable. It definitely says USB charging cable. Let's see inside. Okay, yeah, so we do have the USB charging cable, guys. See, the type C. That's nice. I thought they have not given me the charger, then again I have to go and search for one, but this is nice. They have provided the USB charger cable also. Okay, then what else? So iPad flat panel other captive user scenario. Okay, so iPad special applicable. Okay, I will click the touch button on the top of the pen. The blue light will light up quickly. Active capacitive touch pen and touch the working mode. So this is the switch mode. So I think it's already on. Let's see. Okay. Alright, so the blue means it is on. If you guys see, so blue means it's on. Okay. Now you can click with your instead of finger on the iPad. Switch button, indicator light. When you double click the button, the active capacitive stylus will enter the shutdown state, and during the use period it will automatically turn off after standing for 5 minutes. Okay, so if you don't use it for 5 minutes continuously, it will shut down automatically. This is a good feature. If somebody is not using it, definitely it should go and enter either into power saver mode or shut down. Now the real test. Let's see. So first I need to open my iPad, right? Let's open it. Okay, so here is it. Okay, so this is working. Nice. So I'll show you guys by editing one photo. Let's open Snapseed. Select more photos. It is already there. I'll just click done. I have a photo here. Okay, so let's just see the functions. Okay, the brightness and all, if you want to comment, right? Okay, nice. Then we have the contrast, then the saturation a bit high, ambience bit high, highlights low. Then you'll get those cloud. You can see those cloud details will get only then. Then we have the warmth. I like it. I'll keep it a bit colder. All right, so this looks nice. So this is after and this is before. I think I can do this. I have this now. Why I am using my hand, I don't know. See, okay, it definitely works. Okay, let's just see. Done. We'll try to do something. I don't know, I'm just trying to use it, that's also how responsive it is. Yeah, that's nice, it goes. Okay, then this is done. We'll go back. Let's open another app. So VN editor, where I edit most of my videos. Okay, there is no battery. I guess it went to shutdown mode. I don't know how, but it did went. Okay, I think battery will be less because I am using directly from the pack. We'll do 2 more fast, then we'll see. Okay, it's opening up. Skip. Let's do it now. Let's cancel. Fast. I want to do, see how responsive it is. Just add. I want to add those 3-4 clips. Done. Yeah. So if I play. So this is from my last vlog. If you guys have not watched this vlog, please go and watch it. This is where I went to Mysore to visit the Ranganath Titu Bird Sanctuary. So this, I'll put it on the I button here. All right. So definitely it is working. Let's first cut it here. Definitely works. Add some transitions. Nice. Then again cut here. Let's go add some borders here. Done. Okay, nice. So the response is nice. That's what I liked about this. So it's like working with your finger. All right, so here you can see I have opened one more open. It definitely works. So this is why I need this. So I cannot definitely do zoom in, which I have to still use my 2 fingers to do the zoom. Then rest, I think this works fine. Nice. All right, so let's head back. Here we don't want to see this anymore, and let's see how fast we can scroll, right? So if you see, definitely, so it got switched off twice. Maybe it's because there is no battery, and today only I have purchased and unpacked it. You saw, guys, right? So if it is a issue, then definitely I'll be returning this, but hope so this is not. I'll be posting another video another 1 or 2 months after using this. And if you guys want to stay tuned, definitely give it a like, share, and don't forget to subscribe. And touch is really responsive, so that's good. Okay, so one more thing, this is where I'm recording is my iPhone 12. I tried it there, but it doesn't work. So remember, if you're purchasing this, so this is iPad mini, as I told you guys. So it will definitely not the latest version iPad mini 5, not the iPad mini 6. I'm not sure if it will work with iPad 6 or not, but definitely you can read the description. It works with my iPad mini 5. That's the one good for me. But yeah, as I said, this doesn't work with iPhone 12. The one that I'm recording is iPhone 12, and I'm trying to like off the video here. No, nothing is happening. So it won't work with iPhone 12. Alright, so here is the review. Hope you guys have liked the video. If you new to the channel, don't forget to give the like, share, and subscribe. And yeah, I'll be using this, and hope so this gives me good result. And if you guys want to purchase this, the purchasing link will be down below on this channel. So see you guys in the next video. Till then, stay safe and bye.